1987 camper special Silverado. We got the TP. We are running rough. Let's get our white balance to do something different. There we go. We've got a rebuilt TBI. Rebuilt the injectors, new gaskets, all that good stuff. Still running a little junky. Running rich. So we are going to... we got cap and rotor, plugs and wires. But we've never changed the temp sensor that the computer needs to see or the map sensor. So we are going to swap those out quick because I think they're original to 87 and see if we get any change. What blows my mind is where critters will do things. So what do you gain if you're a mouse by chewing right there? You can get in all the way around. You can see they chew down the top a little bit. What do you gain by doing that? Help us understand. We are in process of working on our 02 half-ton plow truck, but want to get 2 rigs on the road because it might actually be a winter coming. So there we go. We'll see what happens next. Okay, so we have our map sensor from Walker. Rock Auto got a whole bunch of ones to pick from, and trying to find one that doesn't make you cry. So there's your TBI. Lots of vacuum lines, lots of electronic gizmos on there. Here's our wiring. Looks a little crusty. Ooh, what do we got coming? Oh, Cobra kit car. Can we get that on film? We get the late models out of the way. There we go. We got a neighbor that lives down the road. He's got an automatic. You just hit the gas. So, wiring looks, what I would probably do is say, let's try it, and then see if it makes a difference. You know what I mean? Let's try it.
What?
Right there?
Yeah.
What does that look like? Can you get back and see if that's cracked or broken or whatever? Anywhere? Or like where it plugs in?
Well, yeah, it looked fine when I plugged it in before, so.
Yeah, it looks really soft still, so.
Well, now, all the ones looked fine. I didn't see any cracks or anything broken in any of them.
Yeah. That's our plow wiring. We didn't know where to put it, so we put it there. The map sensor is just the other side of the airbox. You saw that, of the air cleaner. Has one vacuum line that goes to the back of the intake, like the base of the intake by the bottom of the throttle body, the TBI. And then it plugs in, 3 wires, plugs right in. So we do have a new pigtail if we need it. The wires look okay-ish. So we're gonna plug that in. We just did. And like I said, maybe we'll replace a part or a couple parts at a time and see what it does.